Good morning. I'm here to show you how to access the Multiple Intelligences results for the current 9th grade class. They'll be found in the Naviance program. To access the Naviance program, click on Faculty and Staff from the CDH homepage. Then click on the Naviance faculty link. You'll be prompted to log into Naviance. Once you log into Naviance, you'll see a roster of all the students at Cretin-Derham Hall. We click under Student Roster to access the names of any of the students in the 4 grades. If you're accessing the current 9th grade class, you'll use the drop-down menu and click on Grade 9. To find a student's results, click on the letter of their last name, find their name, and then click on it. To access the results, go under Assessments, which is where they took their results. They took the MI Advantage. When we click on the MI Advantage, it will show us their traits. You can also download a full report and also look at different resources that the Naviance program has to offer. If you would like to look at a student from another class, just return to Student Roster, click on their grade, and follow a similar process. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.